Okay, well, hello to all my very small few subscribers. And this is for anybody who decides to look for this vehicle and this type of model and engine size. This is an '08 Kia Optima 2.7, it's just V6, and I had to take off the intake manifold in order to replace that ignition coil there. I wound up getting a misfire 1, and that's the one. I just currently replaced those two right here. Well, the reason for this video is because I'm having to replace well, I replacing that, but the reason for the video is that there's not many videos out there that know about this bracket back here. It's a black bracket. Well, this is bolted onto right over here to this one, and you have to look really good more towards this side of the angle, towards the right side, and you can see it, but it blends in with the back of the vehicle, the firewall and the hoses and stuff. So that is the main reason of this video, is just to give everybody an idea or a heads up. If you're having trouble taking your intake off and you're wondering why, well, that's just the reason why. But since I'm replacing this coil, yes, I currently don't have the funds to do those yet, but the next time I have to replace either one, I will already have it, have the parts available, so I'll be more prepared. But once, in order to put everything back on, the things you'll need is that coil, and then you got to replace your intake gasket. So I'm gonna doing that right now, and then I'll be finished, and I'll just put everything back on. But that's the reason for this video, is this bracket right here it's just hard to see. So thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully this helps anybody that owns a 2008 Kia Optima 2.7 V6. There's what it looks like. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching.